So today I'm at my desk and we're going to be doing some unboxings. I've got several boxes of Bibles, all from Tyndale. So I'm excited to get to unbox them all together today. So stay tuned. Today is election day in 2020 and I voted. I stood in line for about an hour. It wasn't that bad. I know that that's probably meager compared to what a lot of you have to go through to vote. I was really blessed to have a short wait time. Thankful that I got a chance to cast my vote, and thankful that I live in a country where I can do that. Let's get to unboxing some of these Bibles. First Bible, it's showing, it's a small box. The back inventory says it's the Thrive Devotional Bible. So let's get into this. All right, so here's the packaging. It's nice bubble wrap on top. This shows what's on the list of at least this run. You got Thrive Devotional Bible for Women, and that's shipped. And then there's one back ordered, Pray for Life Bible. So let's move that out of the way. All right, and I'm going to need both hands for this one. Move that out of the way, and now we take this little slip cover off. There you go. ISBN there. 365 encouraging daily devotionals. Also 365 daily prayers. That's going to be cool to look at. Let's take a look. Just a really quick open it up and take a look because we got several to go through. Really quickly, this is a double column paragraph format with the lined margins. Really nice looking. The paper looks really great. Let's see where it's printed. I didn't see that. Most of Tyndale's stuff that's really good is printed in South Korea. Let's take a look. This is printed in China. 2020 printing in China. Really, really cool. This looks nice. The colors look nice. You have the daily devotional stuff. Like here's day 75. You have your devotional. You have a prayer to go with it. So it's good. It's a journaling / devotional Bible that you can really pour some time into. So it looks really cool. Moving on. Next box. The NLT Study Bible. Can you hear it? All right. First impressions. Let's see. Bubble wrap out of the way. See, yeah, there it is. Retail is $60. Ooh, look at that. Looks cool. Looks cool. That looks awesome. Let's pull it out and take a look. Here's the ISBN. If you guys are wondering, bam. This is a hardcover. It does have a ribbon. And, ooh, that looks good. It's a good looking printing. Paper looks nice. It's really big too. This is the large print NLT Study Bible. Has one double side satin ribbon that's nice. I mean, this is a nice ribbon. Hey, let's take a look right here. So here's the Bible. This ribbon's nice and long. I like how long it is. And this is a large print. I think the print size looks about a 10. Looks about a 10 point font, maybe a 10 and a half. There is a little bit of ghosting, but that's pretty typical for, having a large print study Bible. You're going to have some ghosting. That's just inevitable. You do have red letter. Look at there. Red letter. Red letter looks a little pink to me, but still looks pretty cool. So moving on. There's a lot in here. The printing looks great. The note size looks great. You have bold highlights throughout to kind of draw your eyes to the references and to the notes. You have a reference section in the gutter where it should be. Like I said, the red letter, sometimes it's a little darker, seems a little darker. Sometimes it seems a little pinkish. You have a lot of study tools in the back, and it's really good stuff. The maps are on glossy cardstock. Why am I not surprised? Everybody seems to love glossy cardstock except for me. Let's move on. Again, there'll be links to all of these in the description below if you want to purchase. All right, next box. This has got ESV One Year Bible, awesome NLT Daily Reader's Bible. So let's check these both out. All right, here we are. Bubble wrap. All right, so here is the ESV One Year Bible. We'll open that up, and more bubble wrap. Here is the Daily Reader's Bible NLT. Check it out too. Let's check out the Daily Reader's Bible first. It's a hardcover, has a dust jacket, and the paper looks really nice, just right offhand, right when I first take a look. This is really cool. 3-column note section. What? I like that. This is pretty neat. This has a red letter, and we will do a full review of this one as well. It's awesome. Looks really cool. Here's the ISBN on this one, and it is $30. So it looks pretty good for a $30 Daily Reader's Bible. Now on to the One Year Bible, the ESV. All right. It's paperback. All right, and these retail for $18 there. So the cool thing about the One Year Bible is that it has each day listed at the top rather than, where you're at in the scriptures. And you'll go through the scriptures, January 1, you'll go through the scriptures that are listed for that day until you're finished with January 1, January 2, and so on and so forth. Keeps it really organized. You don't have to flip back and forth through your Bible to find the Old Testament, the wisdom section, and the New Testament. It has it all there for you, which is really, really cool. There are no references, no red letter. It's really simplified. It's an $18, $19 Bible. Probably be on sale for a lot less than that. This is for people to buy, to use daily. So in addition to your normal Bible study and whatnot, this is what you'll pick up in the morning or in the evening when you do your daily Bible reading. This thing looks pretty cool. The paperback, I'm not a fan of the paperbacks, but it'll get it done in a pinch. So, all right, so thank you guys for joining me in this little unboxing session. I'll try to bring more, like, this is easier to lay out and set up to record and edit and all that stuff. So when I'm unboxing and stuff, I'll probably do it here at my desk. Seems like a pretty decent setup. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this kind of format, I'll do my formal reviews in my studio and do the unboxings kind of right here. And if you're not subscribed, get subscribed and click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And as always, thanks for watching, and God bless.